What is going on, my party people, on Taco Tuesday? Aloha. How we doing, y'all? It's the Lakers game today. They better win because I'm still fuming for the other day. I don't know how in the hell do you lose to a team with no start, with 2 starters out. That's just beyond me. It's inexcusable. I don't care about it. Should go 5 games. Should be a sweep. It's unheard of. It's blasphemy. All of that stuff. But enough of my ranting. If you haven't subscribed to the Who Has the Heat page, y'all need to go ahead and do so now. Do it now. And we got about, I think we about 14 away from 200, so that's a milestone. I think the page only been up a little over a month. So you know how it is with the YouTube algorithm. You got to get in where you fit in. Dope battle this week. KICKZ versus Cocaine, or actually Solo, aka Cocaine Souls, along with the sis 313 Retro Queen. Go check her channel out. MCFLYKOF and PMKICKZ. They all making moves. Some sis is on her way to 2K. The other bros are on their way to 5K. You feel me? Other than that, myself, I'm trying to hit. I'm gonna hunker myself down because I'm trying to work on both of these channels. So if I get 7,500 by the end of the year, I am cool with that. I'm cool beans, is like they like to say with that. Now, with that being said, let's get into this review. But first, don't tell anybody Emoneyshoes just picked up another pair of wands. Yeah, don't do that because I'ma never hear the end of it because I'm not a big Ones fan. But shout out to the homie Jared for the hookup on these joints. Pretty much almost got them at retail. As you can see, the box is already different. So for those of you who already have these shoes, you already know what it is. These are pretty clean. I need one more, that blue, the one that kind of look like the Georgetown, to complete the set. And as you can see, it's a 10. It's a personal pair, PP, Air Jordan 1 HON.HI, CO Japan, Fisher colorway, neutral gray, metallic silver. You see it got the QR 4D code, and you see the suggested retail price, 170 of them things. Got the trademark R's and all of that stuff. You got your stamper ramp. For those of you with the receipt police, it's right here, it's right there. I'm gonna get all the bro information, but he copped them from Shoe Palace. That's all you need to know. That's good enough. But I appreciate you, bro, Jared, coming through in the clutch. You see you got your mold sticker right there and all of that good stuff. Yada, yada, yada. These are a clean pair of kicks. And you can see you got the paperwork with the Jumpman and all of that stuff. And now, and we about to get into this and bam, and dissect this shoe. It didn't look that good on the pics. But what I'm learning a lot about these Jordans lately, you gotta have them in hand, people. The pictures are just not doing them justice. So until you see them up close and personal, I will reserve my judgment. All right. So Air Jordan 1, Jordan 1s are in. Underneath is all white. You got your Nike, your R trademark right there. You already know you have to clean these joints after one wear because they're gonna get dirty. They are going to get dirty. And you can see, I don't know what type of material this is, but that's why you got that, like a mold. I don't know if it's suede or whatever, but that's why you got that mold, because anti-mold, right? Then you got some tumble rumble right here, metallic silver, kind of look like Tin Man, Wizard of Oz type silver right here, shiny. Then you got the laces, pretty dope. The stitched in Nike right here on the tongue. You got some wrinkle stank on here on the tongue as well. This is a pretty interesting one nonetheless. You can see a little bit of glue right there, but nothing too major. Coming around on the side right here, you see the stitching is on point. Yeah, I said on point. It's on point, right? You got your Nike Air right here, Air Jordan, which is embossed like a little overlay, clear, see-through. I like that a lot. You see you got the metallic hits in the swoosh, and you got your line up there as well. Coming around on the back side of these joints, looking pretty good, pretty crispy on the cuts. As you can see right here around the ankle, it's kind of got like this checkerboard look, light, so you probably gonna have to wear some white socks, right? Come around on the medial side, white, like you said, right here, midsole, And I don't know what type. I don't know if, like I said, I don't know if this is a nubuck suede or something, but I likes it. I likes it a lot. And then you got wrinkle stanko right here in the back heel portion as well. Like I said, again, kind of got some different, look like different variations, because you got tumbled metallic, and then you got regular metallic, and then you got a little bit more tumbled right here. Right, yeah, that's it. I said right here. Then as you can see inside where this is different, so I guess you're celebrating 20 years. So you got 2001 to 2020, actually 19 years to be exact. But I don't know, it depends on how you count it, I guess. Well, they celebrating some, right? Now, if I could get the done shoe tree out of here, you can see you got 10 to 10 and a half, and you got your always your etched in Jumpman, which is very, very dope. You should have that, and you can have, you see your CO Japan with your QR code, which is just released this year, 3/4/20 to 4/29/20. So not too bad at all. Hey, yeah, not too bad at all. This is a pretty impressive shoe, I must say, for a Jordan 1. Like I always tell y'all, I am a Forest guy, but I will give credit where credit is due. I mean, the laces is nothing to write home about, but it is different. It is tumbled, as you can see. And the insole, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a size 10. So let's spin it around. It's pretty much a gray ass shoe all around, but it's different than your normal Jordan 1. Even though you got the other one that come with the special box, 170. This probably would warrant a 170 price, even though I'm not too keen on it. But this one is one of the better ones that have released. If y'all haven't checked out my biohack, Tokyo biohack video, by all means do so. I put it in here somewhere when I get a chance to put all the card. So yes, y'all didn't know, it is a pack, right? So you got the biohack, you got this one, and then you got the other one that was supposed to be released next year. But of course, Jordan brand, sneaky, they're gonna release it on Halloween, right? October 31st. So those are probably gonna be a real problem, because for those of you who got the set, everybody gonna be going after that one. And that one is really nice too, because it's blue, it's pretty much blue, but it got gray hits just like this one. So you guys let me know, do y'all go out the set, or y'all just going out the certain one? And do you have the other two, or will you be just going out the one that's coming out this month? Because I think the next shoe coming out is the 3s or whatever. I don't need all of that. I just need my 4s and a couple ones. Those mocha ones are probably gonna be an issue too. I might get those as something a little bit outside of the norm for what Jordan brand does. So other than that, on a little lit meter, I'll give it about a 4.8 out of 5. Yes, you heard me right. 4.8 out of 5. I almost teetering on 4.9, because like I said, I like the concept. It's different. I got to go look at the biohacks again. I thought the biohacks were dope, but I might actually give these a slight edge just based on the quality and the execution. For those of you who have the biohacks, you let me know. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Are these Fugazi or is Emoneyshoes tripping? Again, don't forget to hit that like button, tell a family member, friend of a friend, share it out, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Peace.